title HTML attribute is attribute that we use to set title for our HTML element that is displayed like a tooltip text when we hover on that HTML element. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and I hope this was helpful to you. If you like our work, please become our Patreon or simply donate over PayPal. Please remember, even little from you means a lot for us. You can follow us on our Twitter and Instagram profiles, and please don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel, because on our YouTube channel, knowledge is waiting for you.